Buy one get one 50% off all the clothes. But if you got some, if you can find some purple dots up here, that's 9, and then you get 50% off. Then that's a good deal.
Purple dots.
Yeah, cause those are on sale basically. But that ain't 10. It's still some good sale. Oh, that's cute.
Yeah.
Oh, I need like some work sweaters.
You should have went in clothes, got a lot of them in different colors and everything.
Do they? I gotta go. Okay. 70% off, guys. We're going in the clearance room. Yeah, the clearance table. I know they like, we get down in here. Oh, this was a Tide thing, huh?
Just don't go past the silver cart.
Oh, no, okay. I was here this morning. I'm okay. Okay, guys. This day clearance room. I'm panning for you. Okay. I got a lot of stuff. 70% off. I am going to go home and show you the Cascade 405. 70% off. Plus a 50 cent. Okay. Oh, wow. Look. This the whole room. Yeah, it's the clearance room. I bought bras this morning, and they was 79 cents.
What?
Them bras.
How much is it?
They like $3 and some.
Come back again.
Yes, I brought my mother back.
You know the rules.
I know.
It's just you two.
It's just us two. You still here?
I'm getting ready to go.
Oh, okay.
I'm done. I've been here since 6. I'm done.
Okay. So, see that? You got big coloring books. It's stuff back there. I don't know what's that. In those bins. It's food back there. Socks. Yeah. Swartsoft. If I had that the coupon, that'd be good. Rexall. Oh yeah. I got a lot of stuff out of here today. I got this. These ended up being like $1.70. Okay. If you still do relaxers, there's one. Look at that Olay. More stuff, cleansing stuff. Any Olay, guys, get out your P&G coupons, because that's the one you're going to need. I used so many P&G coupons this morning. Like, ripped them apart. Facials. That's all of Olay. There's a lot of oil of Olay up in here. I did get a chance to get baby Pampers for $1.97. See, I haven't cleaned a lot of this out. I mean, she said she was gonna try to get to the rest of it, but
what?
Relaxes, the overnight underwear. She said she was gonna try to get some more stuff out. But I don't know if she could. I bought 2 of these. These was 43 cents, the Woolites. Look at all this oil. $3.35. Floor Shine. Peak Motor Oil. Castrol. Peak. Oh, here's some of the, they got some more of the diapers. See, but these are overnights for bigger kids, $7. I got Anthony some of those. So here's easier cheeses. Somebody got all that food that was there. Wishbone. This is probably like 20 cents. Glitz. Herbal Essence. Uh-oh. We got the coupon on Herbal Essence. You can grab those. You grabbing you something, Mother? Yeah. Oh. Hey guys, I brought my mother back. Yeah, I know I have to bring my sidekick back with me. But I came in, went shopping, my living room look a mess. I'm going to probably go through that. Right guard, look at that. $3.60. Cheap. Tartar sauce. Suave. I got some Secret deodorant today. What's that? Pond's $4.50. Okay. Down in here with some rugs. I got the rugs. Christie's Cat. They got cat food. What's that? Depends. 70% off. clearance event, take an additional 70% off already reduced price. Mother, here's some more bras over here. They huge though. Yeah.
I got a huge chest.
No, she don't. Oh, look, those is $2. But if you could get the coupon on Purple Essence. And look, there go to Head and Shoulders. I bought Head and Shoulders this morning. I bought this morning. The cutters. What's that? Oh, that's spray adhesive. Loctite. Right. It's so much stuff in here. Okay. They bought the kit and caboodle. I had put that in my cart, then I took it out. But I did buy the cats some food. And my mother dog, which those were the Neutros dog foods. If you printed off the $5 coupon, you could have used that for overage, which I did. I got mouthwash that I paid 37 cents for, which it was on that table right there where you see the Dollar General mouthwash. It was some more on that table. I got all of that. I got the Cascade. They got tons of toys. Let's see. They got tons of toys. This is the one for $2.70 I had picked up a while back. Spiral art. Yeah. Well, they're just cleaning it out. You still didn't find one? I want to go over in this. They got a thing of food, and I bet you some penny items down in here. Now, if you all want to look for penny items, today is the day you'll run into some penny items. This is where I usually come and do my penny shopping at. Remember these bras was a penny? Now they like 67 cents, 80 some cents. Because I think that's how much I paid for mine. Good deal. Oh, she just put these out. Let me see. Who is this? Maybelline. And if we got Maybelline coupons, $4.50, you probably getting that for free. Look at Wet n Wild, 75 cents. I think we get Wet n Wild coupons in the newspaper this week.
Watermelon is my favorite.
Okay. Wet n Wild. Okay. Wet n Wild. Okay. Yeah. What is that? I never used this before. It's a balance block. Yeah. You did? I never used it before. Oh, okay. Okay, here's Colgate $4.50. Oh, there go one Crest. I had a coupon for that. But it wasn't out there earlier, so they must have found it and put it out there. Oh. They got some down the hall. Like, we are on our way to the clearance out. See how they cleaned all of that out and put it in the clearance? That's where them bras come from.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Only $5, isn't it?
Yeah, so I thought you paid like 87 cents for them.
Okay.
So here, see all that stuff they cleaned out? They got tons of these back there. Tons of them. So, guys, this would be the store. You want to look for, in the NCI store, you want to look for that little clover shape. That's really like, where you could probably find a couple of things that it's 50% off down here, and I did not see this. Oh, so it's gone, but it's 50% off. So purple dot. Let's see. It don't have a purple dot on it, but it's 50%. Something is 50% off. Then they got 25. Some of this stuff is 75. So if you could find some, guys, this is where you're going to come through today. Okay. I'm taking you all down here because the gang, I did get a chance to get one powdered gang. Other than that, these was on sale. These was in clearance. They were clearance off, and they were dirt cheap. Like the girl said she'd pay like 62 cents for them because we had that gang coupon. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that was it. I got those. And 2 of those foaming wall sets. Oh, there's the light bulbs. God, how can I look over them? I'll put a price on them though. But I'm saying this keep being in here, but it wasn't on sale. It wasn't clearance, so some of the stuff just threw up in here and probably shouldn't be. Okay. 70. Okay. This the dog food. It's actually dog food. The coupon is for cat food. But it does work. So try that if you get a chance to the neutrals. Go online and see could you print it out because the coupon was not expired. If they still have it, you're doing good. It's Cream of Nature, oil, some Bobby Bra. Oh, it's the Broadway cream. Broadway. It's a lot of facial makeup, that type of stuff down here. So guys, this is your P&G move right here. If you're gonna do any couponing this week in Dollar General, bring out your P&G coupon because those are the ones that I use most. I got Pampers, all type of stuff. Okay guys, I made it to the house. I want to just show you all really quick what I got. I bought these overnights. These was $1.72. I think these was like 55 cents. These was the Pampers that I got from Dollar General. See, they was $9. I bought 4 of those. And then I have bibs. They was 27 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bibs. Then I bought a box of Huggies, which was $4 and something. These don't go there. But I use all coupons out of the P&G. That's the bag. That's the coupon packet that's doing all the good. Okay, these was 99 cents. This was Sean them taking with them. So my kids will be, my son moving out into his apartment with my little brother, so they'll be taking these. And then these rugs was $2. These rugs was $2. Okay, these comforters, here they are. The comforters right here. $2.45. Remember we was looking at, I was going through these this morning. Sorry guys, I had to delete that video. Okay, $2. Now this one was 70% off a purple dot and then additional 50% off. So this was $2.24. Then I bought a couple. Let me see. I'm just opening up some of the stuff. I paid $1.19 for both of these Irish Springs. The Head and Shoulders I use coupons for, so I think I paid $1 for both of them. This, I am not, I told you all you cannot be prejudiced to what you buy. This was only 60 cents, but it was half off, so it was 30. So, okay guys, then I bought I bought mouthwash. That's the Cascade that I bought right there. Then I bought mouthwash right here. See, scope, there it is. And I used all P&G coupons. Hey guys, it was good tuning in with you all. Talk to you all later. Hit like, subscribe, share this page. Get your coupons ready. This deal going on Saturday and Sunday. Bye.